Packs inside of leather, rocks on Venmo on my sweater. Yeah, I pull up to the function, smoke. Guess my face is numbing. Yeah, I'm working every day. Bitch, your love what I'm becoming. Out in all black, bitch, I look like an assassin. Talk all that shit, but I don't give a reaction. Out in all black, bitch, I look like an assassin. Talk all that shit, but I don't give a reaction. Wait, I think that I still got it. We focus on that big, focus on the profit. Hey, smoking on that good gas shit, I forgot it. We pop you like a tic-tac if you really want it.
Hello internet, welcome back to another live stream. Oh man, I don't know why I did the intro like that, but welcome everybody. We are so back with this jazz or whatever music this is. It's definitely nice though, so I'm not complaining. And today's mix is called Fur and Loathing. So it's all about rats, you know, it's always about rats. It's always about rats. Hello, Pharaoh. Welcome. So, guys, first of all, my shoulder is still injured, so I just like felt something there while I was doing the little adjustment on my chair, but whatever. It's gonna be fine, okay? You just do this for a while, and then it's gonna be fine. And second of all, today, whatever you're gonna do, I just wanna like fix my mistakes, fix the code, refactor it, and just take a look at some cool stuff. Maybe I have some projects. Actually, I have one project in my list that I want to check out. That's what we're gonna do, and we're gonna just refactor the shit out of our code. Not really. I don't think I'll be able to put everything in a great shape today because I'm still unsure about the whole project architecture, but still we're gonna clean up some stuff, I hope, and fix some stuff, because my frequency visualization is still broken, so I gotta fix that, but I don't know how. So I'm gonna just take a look at some other projects and try to figure it out. But anyways, enough about me. Okay, Pharaoh, tell me, how are you doing, man? What's good? What's poppin'? Just you know, how's the grind? How's the grind? That's the most important question. That's what I forgot to ask. When I meet somebody, I should just always ask, what's the grind, you know? Perfect timing, currently eating pizza. That's awesome. Hello, Tornax. I'm actually taking a look at your project in the stream today, so you are, yeah, it's just perfect timing. And yeah, welcome. I hope you're doing fine. I mean, you're eating pizza, so everything should be fine, I assume. The grind could be better. Still need to put in a decent effort to learn Rust. Well, we got time, and we got, like, as long as you got time and motivation to keep going, you can do it. So, and I'm assuming that you have both of those, hopefully. And yeah, it's doable, man. Just keep grinding, bro. Keep grinding, bro. Fist bump. All right, that was cringe. Let's dive into it. Okay, so today We're vibing with the vibe. I realized I haven't started your project, Tornak. Sorry, my bad. I just gave you a star. So, a desktop audio visualizer and shader player for your Wayland wallpaper. Well, I'm not using Wayland, but there's some stuff to take away from this project, I'm sure. Also, we are taking a look at Shady, a shader toy inspired shader sandbox application and library. And this is for, well, we're more specifically, we're taking a look at Shady audio. So, yeah. Well, before I do that, let me just show you my progress, which is still the same thing. I'm sorry, I'm not really working on this on wait, something is really weird here. On my like I don't do any work on this outside of the stream. So yeah, anyways, but that's the point, right? We just on the grind. So we're gonna fix this hopefully. And the problem is, you know, it's just not visualizing things correctly. So shady audio seems promising. I will clone the repo real quick and take a look at stuff. And I'm assuming this is using shady somewhere. Shady audio, yeah, okay, shady audio, cool. So let's just clone it. I don't think I cloned this. All right, we got the code. Beauty of open source, I love it. And yeah, you're using CPAL, real FFT. Wait, real FFT. I think I was using Rust FFT. What's the difference now? Two different libraries for sure, but I don't know the difference. Real to complex forward FFT and complex to real inverse FFT for Rust. Well, okay. This library is a wrapper for Rust FFT that enables fast and convenient FFT of real valued data. The API is designed to be as similar as possible to Rust FFT. Using this library instead of Rust FFT directly avoids the need to convert real valued data to complex before performing FFT. That's very good actually, because I'm kind of suffering with all these math, like, you know, calculations with the samples. So that's pretty good. I can just switch to this probably. Real FFT is basically Rust FFT, but only if you want to work with real numbers, which suits in this case. Yeah, exactly. That's what I'm right now. I'm basically removing those complex numbers from the FFT result, I think. Somewhere, yeah, there you go. I'm just taking the half of the signal spectrum, sorry, and yeah, I can just switch to this. That's very cool. That's very cool. I just learned something new. I feel like this stream is already productive, so that's neat. All right, we got real FFT clap, CPAL, Vinet. What is Polster? Okay, this is some async stuff. Okay, that's good enough. I'm gonna actually go to shady audio because I think the other parts of this repo is not really relevant to my case, like CLI. Well, if you're using Ratatouille, oh, okay, so you're using Ratatouille. Then that's actually what I want. Lib, what is this? My NeoVim is not allowing me to go to your code for some reason. So this is for yeah, I don't think I'll take a look at this one. Shady audio and CLI would be enough in my case, I think. Let's actually run the CLI. Seems like a fairly small file, so we can maybe take a look real quick. Right now my CPU is suffering because I'm just compiling stuff. Posters for shady, the desktop, you can ignore that. Alright, that's good to know. I'm just lagging, guys. 1 second. I don't know how many dependencies I'm building right now. It's not on purpose. Just Rust analyzer doing its job. I'm gonna just switch and reset my video. Okay, so it's context, get bars, init logger. Shady audio has a rustlang page and some examples. Not even 16 core can escape first build easily. Yeah, dude, for sure. It's just killing me. Sample processor and bar processor. Okay, these are from Shady Audio. Okay, interesting. That's a pretty good API. If you can just like give some data to this. What is this? Is this like taking a fetcher? Oh, that's very convenient actually. You can just have like system audio fetcher and oh shit, that's really cool. That's like very generic. I like that. Okay, then you go ahead and draw a bar chart. Oh, this code is so clean. Damn. That's it. Okay, I kinda respect that. Alright, let's just run it. I hope my CPU will just decide to calm down a bit, because it's really killing me right now. I kinda like the simplicity of this. You can just take a look at the docs.rs page. I wonder if it is possible to disable the system audio fetcher stuff. This create also re-exports cpal. Okay, cool. Bar processor. Alright, let's just take a look at what's going on. Oh shit, what happened? What? I literally didn't change anything. What is going on? Config. Maybe it's because this is not a method. Private. Okay, I don't know what's going on here, but I can just fix this probably. Please pull and rebuild. Now, you mean? When did you fix it? I just ran this. Okay, fix API. Okay, cool. You're fast, man. I thought you were eating pizza. You're like super fast. Yeah, just reset these. Pull. Okay, let's run it again. You know, you can just hack me like this, right? Because I just pulled whatever you pushed without even looking. But anyways, no default audio stream config. Okay. 92. Is this once again a pipe wire issue? Yeah, I hate when that happens. Device, cpal device. Okay, let's just do something like this maybe. Fetcher, system, audio fetcher. Let me take a look at the code. Okay, I only have the new. Okay, I can do that, I guess. And I'm gonna use the code from my code. I'll use the code from my code. Where's the part where I'm selecting device? All right, device. Just gonna copy this. All right, new. So device, you mean device supported config, and then what else do you want? The callback, right? Error callback. What is the is it like, yeah, okay, it's probably like this. And I'm gonna replace this thing with fetcher. Remove that. And import cpal from here. Just a bunch of traits. Oh, device name is gonna be pipe wire. Device trait, supported input configs. What are you complaining now? Okay, just this and this. Come on. Support stream config range. Oh, you mean, okay, you just wait. Supported input config, supported stream config range. Supported. What is that? Supported stream config range. Alright, in return types. I'm a bit confused now. Do you have an example of that? Okay. Supported stream config range. Dude, how do I get that? Okay, I need to somehow build this thing. Supported input. Oh, it's actually, it should just work. I just gotta do this. Okay, it's an alias probably. Weird ass API from cpal. Supported configs range. Okay, what are you complaining now? What the dude, either I'm blind or this is very confusing. Supported stream config range in return types. Okay. Well, how do I even get to this type? Do I need to create it? Channels, minimum sum. Oh my god, I don't want to like supported stream config. I'm just gonna search Google now. Nah. Dude, I'm probably so blind. Let me just properly read this. These produce a list of supported stream config range structs which can later be turned into actual supported stream config. Supported input configs. Supported input configs. This is supported input configs and this is an iterator. Oh, okay. Just maybe next and just unwrap. Fucking finally. Alright, so now we can run this. It was kind of painful, but we got it working. Not really, fucking hell. Oh my god, invalid sample format. This is because we need to change the sample format somehow. Dude, this is bad. Can we do that? Sample formats or somewhere? Well, how do I do that now? Is it hard coded to U8? 107. Oh, system audio fetcher. Sample rate, sample. Okay, Tornax, any idea? Any ideas of how to fix this? Because I need to change the sample format. This is using U8. My device only supports I16. It's recorded that the device supports F32 as a sample format. Damn, I don't have that. Okay, you know what? Never mind about the system audio fetcher. We're gonna actually just implement our own fetcher now, because we have to. That's just a bit annoying, but that's a bit annoying. Alright, so what do I need to do? Struct system audio fetcher but fixed. Impl fetcher for this thing. This is a nice name, bro. I'm really proud of this naming now. Fetch samples. Oh, F32. Shit, I cannot implement that. Oh, I can. Okay, I can actually implement that. Or maybe we can just copy this implementation, to be honest. Hey, Orhun, how's it going, man? It's been a while. Hello, Trianox. I'm just grinding, man. You know how it is. Always. Just trying to like... I'm just battling with these stuff. Actually, I'm just gonna copy this struct. It's very similar to what I'm doing before. So how about we just copied this thing. Boom. Recorder. Just like copied the whole code from my project into here. I'm gonna remove this. Remove this thing and then impl recorder. No, impl fetcher for recorder. And now we can implement stuff. I hope. Are you making an audio plugin? No, I'm just like trying to learn how to visualize audio a little bit. But yeah. Where is my sample rate actually? Oh, I don't have a sample rate. Oh, I can just like do something like this. Config sample rate. Oh yeah, okay, that's good. Fetch samples. Okay, what do I do here now? Is this like a one-time thing, or how does that work actually? I need an example of this. Alright, I need to see. I can probably just copy this thing, but damn, okay, I can just change this type. Now this is interesting. It's the first time I'm seeing someone else trying to implement a fetcher. Yeah, it's a bit annoying for me right now. So I'm afraid I will just end up with the same implementation as you, because look, I already have the stream. Look, this is literally the same thing. Wait, let me show you. Look, recorder, stream, and config. It's literally the same thing. So I think what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna just modify your code instead, because you know I don't want to like reinvent the wheel. So now it will fail. Come on. Okay, so it's failing. But if I go ahead and change this thing, so I'm gonna comment this out. Sample format. Well, this is not failing, but I don't know. F32. This is working only for I16 for me, which is weird. So I'm gonna do something like this. I don't know what is this completion. Collect. But you're right, you can basically copy paste the system audio structure and replace. Yeah. F32. What is this buffer? Oh, okay, I'm just gonna change this to this. Okay, just vector of F32. Come on. Alright, maybe this will work now. Nope. Where's the U8? Where's the U8 stuff? Invalid sample format. Okay, so just remove this thing then. Okay, wow. It's just like a full bar, like I don't know if this is like, yeah, okay. Actually, what is my sample format? Now that I'm curious. Sample format. Alright, let me just panic here and see. U8, okay, my sample format is U8. What the hell is that? You can just U8 here. Nope. No, well, maybe it will work, wait. But I don't know why I got like 3 like not oh, okay. Did you see that? Like it's going full like immediately. Maybe it's because I have some okay, also mixer. Well, I don't have the mic. What? Okay, I don't know what happened, but now it's working. Like it decided to work. It's a bit too sensitive though. I don't know why. It seems a bit slow. I'm gonna play a note because I kind of like to see that. Wait, history. Let me find that website. Which website was that? Constant. Oh, okay, online note generator. Well, it's. I need some numbers on screen. Like, what is this? What is this thing that I'm seeing right now? It's like the waveform, or like, is this like? You need to change the audio source in power control if you want to play note and let it visualize. I don't know why it's going like super loud and then quiet later. Is that the expected behavior? Do I need to play around with the power control or something? But I'm curious about the other stuff that I can do with this. What else can I do here? Bar processor. Okay, Tornax. One question. Is this the like what is this? Are you like you're probably running some FFT on this, right? What was the library again? Fast FFT. What was the? I just totally forgot. Real FFT. Okay. Okay. How do you do that? Okay, so this is like fetching some stuff and then just running FFT on it, I guess, right? FFT in. Maybe I can use this sample processor. It looks really good. I'm curious about the dependencies though. Apodize, what is that? Why do you use that? Hand window. So, okay, maybe you're just like applying the window function or something to, I don't know, normalize the samples or something. I don't know. Why are you using a window function here? Scratch buffer. Okay. I also need to see the frequencies, like numbers, you know. Test. Okay. Let me see the CLI again. I want to see how you're using the bar chart. Data, get bars. What is bar processor? Is that from... Yeah, okay, that's from Shady Audio. So I need... I don't know if I'm gonna use bars, because I need to well, I guess I'm gonna have to. Look, I'm basically trying to build this. You seeing this? And these are like, actually these are not bars, these are twee bar something, bar graph. Yes, exactly. I guess this is like a bar graph, right? This is what I want. This is more close to what I want. So the idea is to use these bars and have a frequency visualization. What else do I have on this app actually? One sec. We have some dBs and I guess these are called cents. Like it goes left and right, you know? Wait. I don't know. Any ideas? Well, in this case, those are still bars, just a lot of them. Okay, yeah. I guess that's what I want then. I just need bar graphs. And I need to show the dB and frequencies and some stuff like that. Okay. It's more clear now. I just need to sit down and implement it, I guess. And maybe I can fix the FFD stuff while I'm doing that. Normalize factor. This is interesting, actually. It's kind of interesting. Well, looks kind of arbitrary. Overshoot, what is that? Nice debugging. The relevant index range of FFT output which we should use for the bars. Well, Tornax, I think I'll just steal most of your implementation. or just use it somehow. Or maybe I can like improve your CLI a little bit. The thing is, I want to be able to not use cross term here at some point, but I can just like, okay, I can start out with like improving your CLI and then kind of take that and put it in my project somehow. I think I'm just thinking maybe we have an example here though. Wait, I don't think we have, but can still take a look. Simple bar graph. Alright, here's what I need. I need to see the values, you know? Okay. Alright, I'm gonna go back to my project and I'm gonna take a look at what I'm doing. Actually, I can just refactor things a little bit as well while I'm at it. Well, my draw frequency function is just absolute garbage at this point. It's not like showing the correct stuff, but alright, I don't know what I have changed here, but probably something related to the sample rate. So I'm gonna commit that. Refactor. What was my... Okay. Refactor. Simplify the APR with regards to sample rate. Or maybe improve the API, okay? We also have the embedded project here, but I'm not gonna touch that now. I guess drawing a bar chart collection makes more sense instead of a chart for this, because waveform, it works well with waveform. Like look at the chart, it's very nice, but with the frequency we should probably use bars. Actually, bar graph. Yeah, let's use bar graph here. Also, I'm gonna do something like this, mute mode or something. I don't know, 0, and I'm gonna do something like this, match mode. If it's 0, just draw the waveform. If it's 1, just frequency. And if it's not neither of them, just do nothing, I guess. And in here, key whence, just gonna take the key, match on the key. I'm gonna use just key code tab, toggle between modes, and if it's something else, just break from it. All right, let's check this now. All right, we just toggling now. That's kind of cool. And I'm gonna add the bar graph. Tweet bar graph. Give me a second, guys. One second, I'll be back. Oh my god, okay. All right, let's add the bar graph now. I'm gonna take one of the examples. I think what I want here is just change this function. Like, just remove it. Data points. And okay, data. Well, these are just vectors. Actually, I'm not sure if I need 2 data points for this. It seems like I only need 1. But let's check the docs. Bar graph new. Oh, it takes like only F64, so this means that I can just use the FFT for that, which is nice. So I can just go ahead FFT samples. Shit, this is really good. Okay. Actually, I'm just gonna make this public. Or okay, let me not do that. Well, I never understood this part of the code, so I'm just gonna change this to F64, and we're gonna go ahead and what are we gonna do? Frequency. What is bin width? Maybe I should just ask ChatGPT, to be honest. I really need some people in this stream where, you know, they will just tell me, hey, you're doing this wrong, this is how this algorithm works and stuff like that. But we just like vibe coding, you know. We just vibe coding. So this is the F64 samples, right? And okay, I need a function that will give me F64 only for what exactly? For rendering bar graphs. Here's the function signature. Guys, maybe I should just use like cursor or something, you know. I feel like I'm a boomer sometimes because I'm not using the hot new AI editors or some shit like that, but whatever. This just works for me. So FFT result magnitude. Why do I need to? Oh, okay, normalize. That's actually that's literally what I want. Okay, take this, wipe coding, boom, you got the FFT data. What is FFT result though? Yeah, okay, this is the self FFT samples. FFT samples, right? Sample rate. I don't have to have that probably. And I'm gonna go ahead, data points, remove that. Well, now I can just like YOLO it, I guess. Just gonna YOLO it. Data points. Good evening, sir. Welcome back, Transistoric. What's poppin'? What's poppin'? My best friend, my best ever friend in the whole ever internet that ever existed. What's poppin'? We're just gonna use frame area, I guess. I'm gonna comment this out too. And I'm gonna comment this out too. Alright, let's run it, guys. I'm excited. I'm actually excited. Best AI friend, Claude, don't even holler. Yeah. That's what I'm talking about. Okay, what the hell just happened? How did I even manage to break it? I didn't even touch the... Dude, what the hell? Okay, there you go. This looks good. This looks promising. Well, I'm not sure if this is actually real time. Like this is a bit, I don't know. Let me just generate some note and see for myself. Well, it looks like it's working. It's very interesting because I select the G1 and nothing changes here, but if I go back to the frequency one, look. No, actually it doesn't really affect anything here. But I'm not like, what the hell? Why is it like so, like what is going on here? Is it because I'm not normalizing these samples or something? Tornex, are you still here? I need to know what's going on here. It looks like it's kind of working. Oh look, this is very interesting. I can actually see the first spike moving towards right when I select the higher notes. I guess that means that it's working. Damn. Okay, that was actually quite satisfying. I don't know if you guys hear this, but it's a bit annoying because we're going like higher pitch. But look, I'll start with C1, C2, C3, C4, C5, C6, C7, C8, D8, E8, F8, G8, A8, B8. That was wow. Okay, it's fucking working. All right, we're gonna go ahead and remove all of these stuff. I wanna actually like render the frequency or yeah, something like that. But I don't know how I'm gonna do that actually. We can add the color grad just to make this even more beautiful, I guess. So let's just do that. Color grad. Is it like exported? Nope. Okay. I need to go back to here. When did I contribute to this? I don't even remember. But okay. Focus. You're trying to make this beautiful, right? Focus on that. Color grad. Like, where is it even defined? Color grad. Color grad. It's just the version. Okay, so I wonder if they have any dependencies. If they have any dependencies for just color transformations, I would be a bit disappointed. They have for parsing stuff. Anyways, color grad. Alright, this should be looking absolutely amazing now. Let's have a look again. Well, it's kind of, I don't know why it's like red. I can try to play some notes again. It's not very colorful. Yeah, it's just red. I'm not liking this that much, so okay, maybe change the preset. Cool, let's use the cool one. Let's make this thing cool, man. Let's make this cool. It's kind of better. Not like super better, but it's kind of good. All right, I'm gonna stop the note thing. Give me a second. So yeah, at least we kind of fixed that. My issue with the my issue with the visualization is just I was just using the wrong widget. I was trying to maybe okay, it was the correct visualization, but since I didn't have any bars, I was like shoving like points, so it was just looking weird. But now it's good. For the last thing, I'm gonna actually commit this 1 second. src. Alright, just add this. What did I add? Color grad. Okay, I'm gonna keep the color grad, that's fine. And also cargo lock. And we're gonna do some like this, feet. No, actually this is a fix. No, it's a feet. It's actually both of them. So I'm gonna go with feet. Improve the frequency. Visualizing. Improve visualizing the frequency. Yeah, okay, that should be good. Just type in my password. Alright, good. Now next thing, I'm gonna actually properly center the note, because it's time. Like why is it like floating on the left middle of the screen? Like it looks weird, you know? So let's just do that. Maybe change the percentage, I don't know. Just trying. Where is it now? Okay, it just moved towards a bit left. Okay, this is kind of centered. I'm gonna make it 60. 2020. I don't know why like 2020 is just on the center. It's kind of not great, but okay, if I make this smaller. Maybe change the pixel size, like, I don't know, quadrant. Thanks, Trianox. Okay, this is now smaller. Well, maybe yeah, maybe smaller would be better, I don't know. But like, why is this like flexing like that? Hold on. I'm trying to like understand. So percentage 50. Let me not flex this actually. Let's see what will happen. Okay, where's it now? Okay, it's just at a weird space. I'm gonna do something like this. Just that. Maybe like, I don't know, 2020. Third height. Where is this now? Okay, it's kind of looking a bit weird. Alright, I'm just gonna keep it like full. Keep it full. Keep it full always. Alright. And then maybe I can do some like, just collect some samples for the last 1 second, and then try to find a note. So that, let's just do that. Transform note. Samples. Wait. I updated shade audio. You can pull and try running shade CLI again if you want. It works on my machine. Hopefully it will work for you as well. Okay, I can just try to do that. I don't want to lose my progress here though. Maybe I can just stash my changes. Pull again, run again. I don't know what you have changed. No default output stream config. Now I'm getting this one. Remove after this sample format requirement seems to work without the extra check. Well, the problem with that is, so here's the thing, Tornax. This fix is a reasonable one, but the problem with my actual problem was this. Wait, which part? I'm gonna show you. This part of the code, this line. So this is like hard coded, you know, like F32. I guess what you need to do is do something like this. So sample rate. You got the sample rate, right? And it's a bit like, it's a bit annoying to do, but like, you know, match sample rate, and then if it's like 32, you just go ahead and use this. If it's like, I don't know, I16, but like maybe there's a better way. I don't know. It's a bit of a Rust issue because you have this closure, you know. So yeah, but if you can fix this, I will, like, if you can fix this in a very clean way, I'll definitely steal that. because I need that too. So yeah. So yeah. I'm just very glad that you did the mutex locking and stuff, because you know I guess I will need to do that at some point. Kind of appreciate somebody else doing that. I can just steal that implementation. But anyways, going back. So what I wanted to do here is I'm gonna add a little bit of a stabilization to the node. By just using like a 1 second instant or something like that, like something like that. Here we just taking the samples. What happened to the music? The music just decided to go away. Strange new world. Guys, subscribe to this channel. Give this guy some... Show this guy some love, okay? He's great in mixes, man. Love it. Also, like, he's in the rat cult too. So he's one of us. Oh shit, I just accidentally muted it. Alright, so... Love the rat, absolutely, man. So... we gonna... Okay, I'm trying to remember if the samples is just the collection of all the samples or just the... Just samples at a... Okay, yeah, it's just the current samples, right? So... Let me just change this to current sample, and then I'm gonna have another one called samples, and something like record time or something, maybe. Record time just 1 second, or maybe listen time. Okay, just listen time sounds better. Listen time, and then we're gonna go ahead. If all right, it's gonna be a bit cumbersome, but we're gonna do something like this. Elapsed instant now, and we're gonna do something like this. If the elapsed time is listen, no, it's actually something like that. Something like this, and okay, why do you need the transform? Well, I just realized. Damn, this is not great. I just need to... Okay, I need to run the FFT twice then. Why do I need to do that? I have the draw frequency. What am I doing here? FFT data. Oh, I need to run FFT twice. Okay, that's a bit annoying. Because before I was just using the same FFT data for both the frequency and the note. Wait, what did I say? I was using the same. Okay, same. Yeah, okay, that's what I meant. So okay, I need to clean this up a little bit. One second. What's going on with my internet again? Just like okay, so okay, I'm just gonna run FFT twice then. Just have to do it. I don't like this, but it's not gonna push actually, it's gonna extend it. Why are you complaining now? Oh, okay, so that's why. Okay, just clone it then. I'm not liking the solution, but let's see. Holy shit, what is going on? Okay, I think I did something wrong here. It's like hella slow now. Draw note. This should not affect the current. Oh, current sample clear. What? No, it should be samples clear. Okay, it's still broken. Dude, how did I break this? That was a bit weird, but okay. Samples. Dude, why is this happening? Okay. Test. Okay, it's actually... And there's no, like, no notes here. What? Oh, I'm clearing and I'm not... Instant... Okay, lapsed. Instant now. I just need to... reset this one too. This is why. It's actually not that difficult. I don't know why I'm struggling with this implementation. Dude, what is going on? Oh, okay, I got it. Run FFT takes time, probably, and that's why. Let me actually run this with release and see what happens. Okay, there's no notes now. All right, it is now working better. I can just increase the duration a little bit. I mean, I just made it worse. I just made it worse. I don't know how I did that. Maybe I should have like another strategy when it comes to having more like correct pitch detection. Because this is not good. We're just gonna revert these changes. Man, this latency is so high. Do you mean we can make some real-time animations or games in the terminal? It's the latency is high because I fucked up. It's not normally this high. Look, the normal latency is this. It's actually quite slick. You can like do a lot of things in terminal, but because I fucked up the code, it was just like super bad. But anyways, at least I fixed the centering issue. Now it kind of centers. I explicitly allowed the sample format i16, but it still seems to accept F32 for the data type. Which data type? Where is this? Oh, you mean here? I think this should be generic. Looks like as if CEP already takes care of the conversion. I don't know, man. Maybe you could try again. Pull first. Yeah, okay. I can do that. Can't you set the sample rate in the stream config? You can, but you need to change it here. It's a bit annoying. I don't know. I don't know why they've designed this way. Okay, let's see what you have changed. You remove the requirement and I don't know. It seems like you haven't changed that much. I think this will crash again. Yeah. Oh, this is crashing because either it's because I have the another like device setup. Like my default device is weird. I need to set the pipe wire. So let me actually apply my stash again. Of course we have some kind of a conflict. I'm just gonna accept yours. And then and then yeah, that should be it actually. Maybe this will work, I don't know. This works because I have changed the data stuff here. I want to like revert all these changes. So this is like, wait, what? Which line is this? 83. Okay, God damn it, what did I do? I just broke everything. Alright, it was a bad merge. Sorry, my bad. I need to fix this somehow. What did I do, bro? I just wanna like accept all your changes in shady audio. Okay, I did it, I think. Alright, now it's explicitly using the pipewire device, and I'm just using the rest of the code as is. Alright, this works. And only thing that I've changed is basically the device. Let me make sure that it works. Where's my device? Yeah, so now this is failing, but I switched to the pipewire device and now it works. Yes. Good stuff. Thanks, Tornax. Now I wonder how you fix that. So I'm gonna go ahead here. Stream config. Try with sample rate. Okay, that's interesting. Well, this was here before, or no? Need to go to your code base. I don't know how you did that. It seems magic to me right now. This wasn't the fix, right? This is just removing the check. Yeah, this is just removing the check, and then how did you fix that? Wait, last comment. Simplify the conditions for the default output config. Well, this is... Dude, maybe this wasn't the fix? Alright, give me a second. I'm gonna figure this out. I wanna like make sure. Okay, I'm gonna stash these changes. Now if I run this, it will fail. If I check out to this commit, sorry, I'm a bit just confused, and now run this, still failing. If I check out this to this commit, still failing. No default output stream config. Okay, the fix was actually in the main. Or head, sorry. What is this comment? I'm having struggle understanding this right now. How can I switch to the unified? Okay, unified. Default stream config, default output config. It's not failing on this thing anymore. Dude, I don't know. It just works. It's magic. It's just magic. Well, it doesn't work with the default device. Yeah, basically removed all preconditions, checks, and let cpol choose default output config. So now it should take any config now, and it seems to work. Yeah. That's good. Actually, this is quite nice. This is quite nice. Would you accept a PR for changing this to a bar graph, or are you happy with the simple bar chart? Oh, and also, if you want, I can work on adding some text, like frequency stuff, like I don't know, stuff like that too. Because I mean, I will eventually do that for my project, so why not do it on yours too? Because it's just very similar. I can just send you an issue and we can talk there if you want. And also, thanks for the quick fix. This was amazing. Like, you basically just did that. I don't mind measuring PR to another display variant for shady CLI. Okay, shady CLI display variant, where is that? Display variant. Oh, you mean like that's the name of the feature? Okay, I got it. I'm gonna just throw you an issue now. Alright. Improve UI for shady CLI. Maybe you have something like that? Okay, this is more like UX, some stuff, and more tests. Okay, so add display variants to shady CLI. Right now, shady CLI only supports Ratatouille's stock bar chart widget. The idea is to support other look and feel options such as tweet bar graph. Alright, there you go. I'm gonna just go ahead and create another one because I will also need that. The other one will be about... Alright, I'm gonna actually ask ChatGPT about this. I have this function. I want to show the frequency text on this. What is it called exactly? Because I don't know what it is called. Like, you know what I mean, right? Like, you have this app. Like, you have this app and they're like dB, like 10k, 1k, 100. Actually, let me add those details to this question too. 100, 1k, 10k, 20k, etc. Access labels. Yeah, that frequency tick marks. Logarithmic scale labels. I don't think that's the one. Spectrometer. Do you mean that it should display the frequency each bar displays? Not like I don't mean that exactly, because that would be a lot of text. What I mean is like just show some markers for like, I don't know, hertz, you know, like 1 kilohertz and 10 kilohertz and stuff like that. Because on this app, I don't know if you see it, but like you have these little markers on the back of the spectrum or graph or whatever. There these little stuff. So that's what I mean. I know what spectrometer is. We can just check that. Spectrometer. This looks like Pink Floyd. There you go. You got the Pink Floyd. Any Pink Floyd listeners in the chat? Well, this is not what I mean. Frequency tick marks. Maybe this is what I mean. Yeah, I guess this is kind of what I mean. Like it's on the x-axis. Add x-axis labels. X-axis. Oh, add frequency markers for x-axis. Or labels. I don't know. It would be nice to show labels such as to shady CLI. Okay. It would be nice to show labels such as the in for or x-axis. I need to see an example. Like I need to attach some kind of a screenshot. I think frequency tick marks. Shit, sorry for the light theme. My bad. You can check out ProQ by Fab Filter. Even frequency ranges, yeah, something like that. You can check out ProQ by Fab Filter. Yeah, I think so. Yeah, I mean, look, this is kind of what I meant. Thanks for the reference. This screenshot is so small. It's just a very small screenshot. I'm actually gonna wait. I'm gonna search this here. This shows stuff very nicely. Like what I mean is basically these, like 500, 1K, 2K, 5K. These are like the frequency ranges, right? Like frequency markers. So this is what I mean. And this is like the dB, right? We also need to, I think, we don't need to, but I think it would be nice to show these dB values as well. What do you think? Tornax, the gain frequency. Yes, exactly. Okay, I'm gonna make some changes to shady audio, but not today. It's almost bedtime for me. No worries, man. I mean, I'm just like thinking for the future, and I'll probably do these. So just saying that I kind of need that, and yeah, just throwing ideas to you. I'm not trying to like nerd snipe you, okay? So don't worry. So not frequency markers, but this is called add gain and frequency markers. Even nice show labels and 0 plus 3. Wait, we don't have the negative frequencies. Why is that? Guys, I'm confused now. I'm totally confused. Like, what is this? This is like frequency, right? And like, why there's like negatives and like positive dB values here? Well, this is a chart, right? This is not a bar chart. So I'm confused now again. Yeah, I'm not sure about how to compute the dB as well. there's no negative frequency, but there's negative gain, because gain is now volume. So what are we showing here? What am I showing here? Because this starts from... So, okay, x-axis is just the frequency, right? This is like the frequency range, this thing. And the thing that goes up is the gain, right? Is it the gain? So, what is the, like, where's the zero gain here? I'm confused. I'm gonna create the issue. This is normalized gain, I guess. Okay, normalized gain. Basically volume in a percentage. Okay, actually I have an idea. What is okay, I have a bar chart for frequency values. It starts, okay, x-axis is frequency. This is a dumb question, but bear with me. Y-axis is y-axis gain, and what is normalized gain? This is a stupid question. Great question. Damn. Okay, thanks for the encouraging words, ChatGPT. I'm gonna actually drink water one sec. I don't have my little glass with me, so I'm just drinking straight from the 5 liters bottle, man. You gotta do what you gotta do. This axis represents frequency in hertz. Gain, amplitude, or magnitude. The term gain here is used loosely. It's often the magnitude of the FFT result. Could be rho magnitude. Decibels if log scaled. Okay, there you go. Normalized gain, scale to fit within a known range. Known range. Okay. Normalized gain. Okay, how do I calculate dB then? Use this formula. 20 multiplied by log 10. Interesting. So does that mean that we can actually wait. Let me actually commit this first. Style. Center the note. And layout. I want to have another function. And I'm gonna do something like this. So draw waveform, draw frequency. I have these two functions now. I need a third one for drawing a chart widget with the frec and db values. Okay, that's it. Draw frequency chart. This seems correct. FFT data, magnitude spectrum. Okay, this looks good. Calculate decibel values and associate with frequency bins. Okay, I gotta pass in the sample rate here. Sample rate. 50 len sample rate. Data points. Data set. Well, yeah, just keep it that way. And all right, I need to. This is gonna be the third mode, I think. Draw frequency chart. Yeah, there you go. Well, this should now show the dB and stuff like that. So this is amplitude. Wait, what? Oh, I'm not drawing that. Sorry. No, I'm not switching to that mode. Okay, just tree. There you go. Now it should show it. It's showing nothing. Showing nothing for some reason. Am I even drawing that widget? I think so. What the hell? What is going on? Oh, I'm not drawing it. Oh, 4. Sorry, my bad. No, it's not. What the fuck? Okay, where's my chart? Oh, it's here. Well, what the hell? Where's the line? Super weird. What is this gain though? Like I don't know why it's using like negative values. Don't use, okay. Final function. Don't use negative values for the gain. Actually no. Actually no. Just map. Use both. You were using negative gain only. Just use a balanced one. I don't know what I'm doing, guys. I'm just like wipe coding at this point, but let's see. Maybe this will work. I don't know. We can just trying it out, testing it out. Okay, where's the chart now? Oh, there you go. Something's going on. Something weird is going on. Something really weird. By the way, I just realized I haven't added the chat window to the stream. Let me just do that real quick. I sometimes forget. There you go. Sorry, it's been 1 hour and 40 minutes, but whatever. So kind of have the what is this now? I don't know, I fucked up. I'm not sure why this is not working actually. God, the gain axis is fucked. Yeah. Maybe I can just like fix it by doing something like this. I don't know. Just change the bounds or something. What is this? What the hell is this? Is my FFT is not working or something? Look at the gain. I'm literally just running everything through an FFT and just getting everything here. And then what am I doing? Just calculating the dB and just drawing that. That's all. Maybe use log 10 instead of log 0. Okay. I guess I'm using log 10. I'm using log 10 here. I'm using log 10 and avoiding log 0. dB is 20. What is this number? What happens if I just make this 400? It just fucks up everything. Great. That looks good. Maybe the issue is elsewhere. I'm not sure if this is what I'm supposed to see. Like, it looks a bit weird. Is this what I'm supposed to see? I'm seeing a very weird result where I don't know how to even explain this in words, where the first part of the gain is high and the rest is just low or something. dB scaling of FF data isn't fully balanced. Okay, just copy that. I don't know, vibe coding. No, it's the same. I think my FFT is wrong. FFT data. Is my FFT data correct? We can try this. Well, this looks kind of better, but I don't know why. What is this, dude? Frequency spectrum. Why is it looking like this? Just like goes like that and then whoop, just goes down. Any ideas? Okay, I already did those, but I don't know, guys. Like, at least I fixed the this one. So I feel more confident about the code base. But yeah, I'm gonna create this issue before I forget. Here's an example of how it might look like. Note the mark is in the X. I mean, I'm not expecting you to actually just do this, but you know. Yeah, but I guess I'm done for today, guys. Oh, I haven't checked this project. You're a composer. I don't think I can run this though because I don't have Wayland. I'm just yawning. I need to get some rest. If I remember, there is something we use in music production called gate. I think you know it's a remote noise. You use it, yeah. Its spectrometer usually shows to a higher noise floor. Maybe that's the issue in a way. Maybe. I was just expecting it to work out of the box with the 50 data. But maybe I need to normalize the samples in some way. I wonder if there's any other crate for this. Audio, visualize. Waveform, spectrum. So far, this library is not capable of doing nice visualizations for end users. GUI window. I don't want a GUI window. Plotters. Okay. Shit, this is good. This is kinda... Frequency spectrum, yeah, there you go. Is this like the... Maybe I should just run this. Yeah, this looks good. Example of a static waveform, static spectrum. Maybe I can try running this. I don't know what they're using for the GUI, but it's worth a try. Alright, I'm gonna just start oh. Just takes time to clone. This is a bad sign. LOA visualizer. Interesting. Is there any... Oh my god, what is this repo? Why? What the hell? Why is it like... Why the fuck this contains a shit ton of things? Juice C++ interfaces, what is that? They're making a digital audio workspace, yeah. Oh, Juice. Interesting. Oh wait, what the hell? Dude, I feel like I just entered a rabbit hole or something. Yes, that's a framework for audio VSTs. They're making alternatives. Interesting. Okay, that's a bit overkill for me. I don't need that. Rust audio visualizing spectrometer. Spectrometer. Well, this is like a very small crate. Right, we have the audio visualizer, guys. Examples. What is this using for the... Oh, this is like just saving to a PNG. What are they using for the GUI? Is it like iced or what is this? I remember it said it has a GUI. Oh, this is a library. Dude, maybe I can just use... Oh, okay, wait. GUI window. I just saw something about GUI. Oh my god, my... Mini FP, what is that? Cross-platform window setup with optional bitmap rendering. It's the first time that I'm seeing this. My PC is dying because of Rust Analyzer. Cross-platform window and frame buffer crate for Rust. That's interesting, actually. I wish they added some screenshots. This is good though. Can I just run this? I mean, it uses cpal, so it should just work out of the box. I mean, you know, if they set up the sample rate properly, because that's my biggest problem with my audio device. And of course I need to select my device too. If I don't select pipe wire, it won't work. Okay, it's linking to X11. I'm a bit scared now. Okay, it's failed. Damn. I need to select my device somehow. They don't even use clap for argument parsing. They just use the default input device probably. Default input, right? Just the default input device. Well, I cannot try this now then. But okay, maybe I can. You could run some examples from Vibe. They're just creating a window which should be covered by Winit. Okay, that's cool. We can just run that now then. But I'm gonna save these for another stream probably, because I'm slowly running out of life. Okay, did you say examples? Well, I can just run the whole thing probably. A framework for building software-defined modular synthesizers. No fucking way, dude. No fucking way. Rust is crazy. What the fuck? Damn. That's sick. Open a window that can play and visualize, and holy shit. What the hell, man? We just found a gold mine. Just found a gold mine here. Of audio waveform visualization. There are so many crates, man. God damn. Software defined modular synthesizer. They have the craziest logo ever, bro. They have the fucking best logo in the universe. God damn. Shit, this is big. I need to look into this in another stream, dude. Audio leaf. I made a web synthesizer last year. If I learned something, audio is hard, man. Yeah, for real. Guys, I'm gonna send you a link. This is so sick, man. I need to try this out. Oh my god, look at the API. If I can actually... If I can get these raw sample data from this, I can just build a TUI on top of it and just have a synthesizer in terminal. Maybe they should, maybe they have, bro. They have a BaM implementation. Maybe there's a TUI. Holy shit, that would be amazing. They have a BaM one. Dude, I'm gonna check this out in another stream. This is just... I'm gonna save this one. I'm gonna sit on this for a while. Could not find a Wayland compositor. Yes, because I don't have Wayland. But we can try... Aurodio, what is that? Shit, it's just taking time. But guys, I think I gotta go, but I'm gonna leave this here and come back to it in another stream. I'm planning to do a port to Rust, maybe. A port of what to Rust exactly? You mean the one that you built for web? I'm lagging so hard right now. Like everything is just so laggy. Look, okay, I'm not frozen at least. Alright, I'm gonna leave it here, guys. But this was good. The next stream, it's gonna be tomorrow. I'm still lagging. So next stream tomorrow afternoon, I'm having a guest, and we're gonna just chat. That's all. That's the whole stream. It's not gonna be the next episode of what is the series called again? Becoming a musician or something. But maybe I'll do the next episode in the evening tomorrow. Just like follow me, just follow the channel, join the Discord if you don't want to miss these streams, like, because I'm always posting stuff on the announcements channel, so join Discord. But good stuff today. Very nice progress, I think. What's next, you might be asking? We're gonna take a look at the projects first of all, and then I'm gonna improve my little Twitter project, whatever. Actually, let me push this to my repo so that maybe you can give it a try or something. I'm gonna push this real quick and send a link to chat. So we're gonna improve this one. We're gonna improve this repo and the next one, and then we're gonna port that to this little fella over here so that we can like see the waves and stuff on this. And then if I connect this to some kind of audio input, finally I can just have a guitar tuner. That's the whole goal of this. But I mean, I don't know, we'll see where this will go, basically. Yeah, it's gonna be amazing for sure. I already have this thing running. I just need to figure out some things to make it work with an audio input or just a guitar jack input or something. And one last thing, just to flex, guys. Give me a sec. Just to flex. This is what we're working with, okay? So, in case you're asking if you have a guitar or not, I actually have. So, it's all for the sake of this nice piece, and maybe we will do more stuff with this in the future. I'm still learning though. Don't expect me to play crazy solos. So, anyways, guys, I'll see you in the next one. All right, take care. Thanks, bro. Thanks for tuning in, by the way. Trianox, Tornax, Pharaoh, and all the lurkers out there. Love you guys.